Welcome to today's guide where we'll walk through finding all messages from a specific contact in a Telegram group on your PC using the latest update. Whether you're managing a community, coordinating with a team, or simply revisiting a friend's contributions, this method will save you time. Let's dive in. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account linked to the group you want to explore. Once you're in, locate the group in your chat list on the left-hand sidebar. Click to open it. Now, look to the top right corner of the group chat window. You'll spot a small magnifying glass icon. This is the search tool. Click it to activate the search bar. Here's where the new update shines. Instead of typing keywords, click the members icon directly within the search bar. A drop-down list will appear showing all participants in the group. Scroll through or start typing the name of the contact you're interested in. Once you select the member, Telegram will instantly filter the chat to display only their messages. You'll see their contributions highlighted in the conversation. To navigate through all their posts, scroll up to view older messages or down for newer ones. The chat will dynamically update to show their activity in chronological order. This feature is particularly useful in busy groups where messages pile up quickly. Need to reference a specific detail someone shared weeks ago? No more endless scrolling. Just isolate their messages in a few clicks, and that's it. You've now mastered the quickest way to track a contact's messages in any Telegram group on your PC. This streamlined approach works seamlessly with the latest app version, saving you effort while keeping your communication organized. Happy searching, and stay tuned for more tips to enhance your Telegram experience.